Fellow South Africans, this is my second video. On this video, we are going to talk about economic freedom fighters celebrating their 13th year anniversary of his existence in Thohoyandou Stadium, which have the capacity of about 20,000 people. And then we understand that the people of Limpopo were the ones that were expected to fill up that stadium. Now, one of the biggest question is we have to ask ourselves the relevance of EFF. How relevant is EFF? Can we say the young people, if the EFF did not exist, they could not have had their home. They could not have had somebody that will talk their voice. For example, the young people between 18 and 25 years, they want to go to school. They want to know about NSFAS. They want to be accessed at the university. They want to get rest and accommodation. Is there any other political party that talk about those issues? Is there any other political party that says, no, in order for you to be able to study, you must get a data. We don't want your data to expire. I'm talking about now the field of going to school, which is of still in the schooling system, waiting to be qualified, going out of matric and then going to the university. And then if you finish school about 18 years or 19 years, we give you about 5 years or 6 years to maybe to do the degree and honors. And then you can be able to say, now I'm moving from the field of being a student to the field of an adult. Then from 26 to 28, 29 years is still the field of where we want now good paying jobs, or we can open our business, we can take control of the economy. Can we say the message of what EFF kind of voters are saying, like we want to take control of the economy? Does it correspond well with the children or our children that have left a school and then go into university, and then after university they want to be workers, they want to be employed, they want to be owners, they want to take control of the economy? Does the message of EFF resonates well with those that have left the schooling system, are now ready to become parents and then in that field? Because most of them, not everybody, there can be people that anyway, for whatever matter, everybody can, I understand, join EFF, but we're saying, looking into the specific field of, to say they are a generational mission, which is their biggest focus. Are they making sure that they feed into the mentality of them saying they are in a generational mission? And do the people that they are sending message feeling that they are well represented? Are we seeing EFF going out there and then standing for the positions that are making the young people to be proud on what it says? Is it giving in the message or promoting the interest of what the young people are willing to see being talked about? Is it making sure that the crop of voters, like grown up people from 35 years onwards, are not being seen prioritized over those that are between 18 years and 29 years? And can we also say that if the existence of EFF, did it bring any threat to the enemy that might have wanted to either to control of South Africa or disregard black South Africans, or disrespect South Africans? What do you think of the different centers of power, like how the white business feel like it must take control of ordinary South Africans, and the treatment of black people in the farms, treatment of black people by different races at different areas? like we have seen Julius Malema going into Senegal and then saying, why when white people are not respecting the law of South Africa, they are treated with soft gloves, rather different to other black South Africans that will be treated so horribly as if they have killed a person by even simply attending a march or a protest. What do you think? Did EFF for its kind of the crop of voters? Because it is my feeling that it has to make a meaning to its kind of voters, because you cannot just decide to voting or targeting every single one with a whole energy. You must be able to say, here is my target. This is, I can talk to everybody else, but my target of voters are this one. That did do its best to make sure it makes sense to its target of voters, not holistically, its target of voters. And lastly, I'll say there have been registration of voters at IEC. Can we say it is a fact that other political parties are not spending so much energy to try and convince young people to come and vote, because they know those young voters are potentially not coming to go and vote for them? And as a result, they rely on the old voters roll of old grown up people that are their permanent voters. But the present and new crop of voters are going to change the consistency of the voters roll to such an extent that certain number of voters are going to influence the number of people that will vote according to the old voters roll. Can we say EFF also is doing enough to make sure that the young people are encouraged to register and vote, and then especially those that are between 18 and 29 years, that the statistics showing that should they be convinced to go and vote, most of them are more likely to go and vote for EFF. It's the statistics. It says that. He said those voters that are between 18 in South Africa, when the statistics were done previously, it says there are 11 million youth that is between 18 and 29 years. And out of that 11 million, 5.6 have registered to vote. Out of that 5.6, about 2.5, 2.7 million have voted, which is 46% of the 5 million that have registered to vote, but which is almost less than a half of the 11 million potential voters between 18 and 29 million. And it is said out of those 11 million, if they can register to vote, highest percentage of them are going to vote for EFF. Is EFF doing enough to make sure that it takes those potential voters and the registered voters into the voting station in order for them to see that their crop of voters, the people that are specifically gonna see it making sense, to make sure they come to the voting station? What do you make of EFF? Is it still making sense to the young voters? And should their opponents or enemy have the reason to have goosebumps? Is there still a reason? What must EFF do to make sure that it draws the young people to the voting station to vote for it? Thanks for watching the video. Let us meet on the comment section.